Okay, good morning to all. We are into the last session of the 12th competency. So, Pata, we have few activities, right? Now, let's recognize whether these errors are disclosed by the trial balance or not disclosed. So, how to do it? If you get a question like this, how to recognize that given error is affecting the agreement or disclosed by the trial balance or not disclosed by the trial balance. It's very simple. Let me give you right a very easier method. Right? If this is how you make the selection, if the error, right, affects, if the error affects, right, a single account only. If the error affects a single account, right, that error is disclosed. Disclosed by the trial. Disclosed by the trial. If the error has been committed only in a single account, that error affecting the agreement. Therefore, in rectifying, the suspense account has to be used. Suspense account has to be used, right? We have to use the suspense to rectify this error. If the error is only in a single account, it is disclosed, definitely disclosed, right? On the other side, if the error, look at this one, if the error affects both debit and credit entries with the same value, if the error affects both debit and the credit entries with the same value, right? Same value, that error or it is not disclosed. Make a kawadawa trial balance එකේ පෙන්නන්නේ. Why? Both debit and the credit entries are affected with the same value. Or maybe it is completely omitted. හරිනේ? පුතේ මම හිතන විදිහට මේ පාඩම තමයි right අපි ළමයෙක් හරියටම තේරුම් ගන්න ඕන පාඩම. ලේසි පාඩම. මම මොකද්ද කිව්වේ? If you have a very right good knowledge, a professional knowledge on the double entry system, you can easily understand it. හරිද පැටි? එහෙනම් අපි යන්න ප්‍රශ්නෙට. Give me a minute. Let me take you to the question. Now let's see. First error. A sales invoice valued 40,000 has completely omitted from the books. මේක අල්ලගන්න තියෙන එකම තැන තමයි මෙන්න මේක. Completely omitted. Therefore, this error is not disclosed. හරිද? මේක මෙහෙම ලියා ගන්න. Not disclosed. Error is not disclosed. හරිද පුතා? පළවෙනි. මම මේක අල්ලගත්තේ මෙතන. Second one, මම මේක හොයාගන්න තැනත් එක්ක මම ඔයාලට කියලා දෙන්නම්. A cash received from Dimuthu valued 15,000 has recorded only in the cash account. Again, it is not recorded in the other account. Now think, what sir told you now? If the error is influencing on a single account, that error affects the agreement. Therefore, this error is disclosed. ඔන්නම ඉගෙන ගන්නකො පුතේ. හරිද? Right. Rent paid valued 15,000 has recorded in the books. Now, books means both the entries, both the prime entry books, or both in the ledger accounts. It is recorded as 10,000. Again, a complete commission here. So this is not disclosed. Not disclosed. Not disclosed. Right? The next one, 20,000 withdrawn by the owner as recorded in the staff salaries. Right? That means it should be recorded in the drawings account, but it is recorded in the staff salaries. Now think, normally when the owner has withdrawn something, it is debited to the drawings account. Drawings debit instead of debit the drawings, it is debited to staff salaries. However, it is debited to some account. You call it debit vela තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් පුතා මතක තියාගන්න, even this is not disclosed. Not disclosed. හරිද පුතේ? Next, a purchase invoice value 35,000 has recorded in the purchases journal as 50. Okay, මෙන්න මේ කලකන් තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මෙතන. Once again, if you have a good knowledge in the process of accounting, you can easily understand this error. In accounting, journal, right? Purchases journal is, we use the purchases journal to record a transaction initially. Then only it is posted to the ledger. However, what we have done, a purchase invoice value 35,000, that is the correct value, is recorded in the purchases journal as 53. Therefore, make up even this is an error of complete commission. Therefore, listen to me, even this error is not disclosed. Not disclosed. Number 6. Payment of salaries value 30,000 has recorded twice in the books. Books definitely not disclosed. Right? Make up an error of duplication. We have recorded transaction completely twice in the books. Not disclosed. Not disclosed. Okay. Look at the next one. Additional capital introduced by the owner value 50,000 has recorded in the credit side of the cash flow. When the owner has introduced capital, how it records in the books? Cash debit, capital credit. But what we have done, what we have done, we have credited the capital account. Instead of debit the cash, even that is credited. So definitely we have not recorded the debit entry. So this one is definitely disclosed. Disclosed. Number 8. Payment of electricity value 16,000 has recorded in the electricity account as 6,000. We have made the mistake in the electricity account only. Therefore, this error discloses. Disclosed. The addition of the sales journal understood by 20,000, even the mistake is in the sales account. Disclosed. Disclosed. Cash received from Ajit value 20,000 has credited twice to his personal account. Disclosed. Why? The error is influencing only a single account. Disclosed. Only the third. Right. අනිත් ධ්‍යානට යනවා. ඔය ටික ලියාගත්තා නේද? හරි right ඔන්න තියෙනවා වැඩි right okay දැන් ඔන්න මම යනවා පුතා ඊළඟ එකට so let's see how to prepare the rectification entries and also uh, yeah let's see how to record the rectification entries puta give me a minute let me prepare the format පුතේ අනිත් එක තමයි හරිද ඔයාලා දැන් විභාගෙට මේක ලියද්දී හොඳට අහගන්න format එක අඳින්න එපා date එකට පුතා පොඩි ඉඩක් තියාගන්න voucher number එකට චූටි ඉඩක් ඇති but for the description take the full right space where you want අවශ්‍ය සම්පූර්ණ ඉඩ ප්‍රමාණය එකට ගන්න ඕනේ maximum space because you have to write a narration then ledger folio very small column and for debit and credit considerable space to record the rupee values right පොඩි සමහර ළමයි මේකට හරි පොඩි ඉඩක් තියාගන්න එහෙම බෑ because you have to write a description there you have to write a narration there I think you know this right general journal all right let's write down the descriptions the titles date journal voucher number description ledger folio debit credit හරිද ළමයි ඔන්න අපිට අවශ්‍ය කරන format එක මම මේකේ copies කීපයක් දාගන්නවා right now quickly read the content given the errors ටික පොඩ්ඩක් කියවන්න පුතේ දීලා තියෙන්නේ ටක් ගාලා කියව ගන්න errors ටික right හරි පුතේ let's do it very carefully purchase of furniture value 50,000 as recorded in the books as 5,000 පුතාට තේරෙන්න ඕනේද මම accounts වලින්ම කියලා තියෙනවා හරිද ඕගොල්ලෝ කැමති නම් right මේ විදිහට හුරු වෙන්නකෝ right then it is very simple I have not kept a space to do the workings for you but if you want when you watch the recording you can do it like this කැමති විදිහට මේක කරගන්න හරිද right now look at this this is what we have done as the මෙතන අපි වැරද්ද කරලා තියෙන වැරද්ද පුතා a purchase of furniture valued 50,000 as recorded twice in the books now think to record the purchase of furniture what are the two accounts we have to use මේ තියෙන පුතා furniture account and cash හරිද right we have purchased furniture at 50,000 it is recorded in the books as 5 again furniture is debited 5,000 cash credit 5,000 now do you see the debit and the credit values are the same but the value is incorrect what we should do to rectify this error now can someone tell me furniture account should be 50,000 I have to debit 45,000 furniture debit 45 cash credit 40 now see the furniture is debited 50,000 cash credit 50,000 this is rectified right look at this let's put the numbers I have not given the dates number 1 what I have to do furniture account debit dr කියලා ලියන්න මේ විදිහටම ලියන්න debit 45,000 and cash account පොඩ්ඩක් එහා පැත්තට කරලා ලියන්නේ කවුරුත් credit entry එක මේ පැත්තෙන් පටන් ගන්නෙ නැහැ cash account credit 45,000 Cash account credit 45,000. Narration. We recorded a purchase of a furniture purchase being understated furniture purchase is rectified. Is rectified. Briefly describe the reason for the entry. And after that, draw a line to separate only the description column. ඒක මෙහෙට drag වෙන්නේ. මම දැක්කද මේ බෝල් මෙතේ ඉන්නේ බෝල් කරලා තියෙන්නේ only the description column has to be right separate. හරි. හරිද ළමයි? Number 2. A repair of machinery valued 8,000 has debited to the machinery account. ඔන්නත් මෙතනට යන්න. පුතේ to record the machinery repairs, we need the following accounts. Machinery repair. Remember, Puta, this is an expense account. Okay, make expense account. And also we need cash. Again, සාමාන්‍යයෙන් වෙන්න ඕන machinery repairs account debit and cash credit. But what we have done, cash is correctly recorded, but it is debited erroneously to the machinery account. ඒ කියන්නේ cash credit කරලා debit කරලා තියෙන machinery account. Now tell me, to rectify this error, what we should do? මොකද්ද කරන්න තියෙන්නේ? This is incorrect. Credit the machinery account, so the machinery account is rectified. මේකට මේක කැපිලා තියෙනවා. But don't forget, the repair accounts has to be debited as well. Therefore, what is the rectification entry? Machinery repairs debit, machinery credit. Number two, machinery repairs account debit. We are actually with the right hand side, the most right hand side column of the description column. It is 8,000 and credit the machinery account. Machinery account 8,000. හරිද? narration එක ලියන්න මෙහෙම. We recorded repairs in furniture account, sorry, machinery account is rectified. Is rectified. Here we have the narration. තේරෙන්නේ නැද පිටි? හොඳයි. A sales invoice valued 24,000 has completely omitted from the books. පුතේ ඒ කියන්නේ to record the sales invoice, it's a credit sale name. We have to use this account now. We need the debtors account. And also we need the sales. It is completely omitted from the books. Therefore, we have no entry in the debtors account. We have no entry in the sales. Think what we have to do in this occasion. Just record it. 24,000 debtors debit, sales credit 24,000. This is how you record, right, or rectify the third error. Number 3. Debtors account debit 24,000 and credit the sales account 24,000. Narration is written like this. We omitted the sales invoice. Invoice is rectified. is rectified. Briefly described the reason for that entry. කොච්චර පැහැදිලිද බලන්න පුතා නේද? හරියද පැටි? ලියාගන්න. Number 4, පුතා, I want you to draw those ledger accounts right when you watch the recording. හරි පොඩියට හරි පොඩක් අඳ ගන්න. නැත්නම් වෙන කොල්ලේ කරලා ලියලා අලව. Number 4. Payment of electricity value 12,000 is recorded twice in the books. Right. So to record the payment of electricity, we need the following two accounts. Tell me if I am correct. Electricity. And also we need cash. Look what we have done. We have paid electricity and it is recorded once in the books. But erroneously, the same is recorded twice. Then think, you can't record a transaction twice now. What we should do now? I have to cancel one entry of the transaction. Electricity credit 12,000. Cash credit 12,000. Now see, the error is rectified. Let's record the entry. Cash debit 12,000. Cash account debit 12,000. Electricity account credit 12,000. Electricity account credit 12,000. Narration being recorded, right? Electricity twice in the books. Is rectified. Being recorded electricity twice in the books is rectified. Okay, great. Number 5. A cash sale value 36,000 as recorded 63,000 in the books. Cash sale. Accounts. We need cash, we need sales. We need cash and we need the sales. Right? So let's record it like this way. These are the two accounts we need. We need cash and also we need the sales. The correct value of the transaction is 36,000. But it is recorded in the books as 63. Again, cash debit 63, sales credit 63. Now, do you see both cash and sales account is overvalued with the same amount? Let's find out that value. Again, 63,000 minus 36,000. Both the accounts have been overstated by 27,000. What we should do now? දැන් මොකද කරන්නේ? පුතේ මේක තමයි ප්‍රැක්ටිකල් මම තේ කඩපාඩම් කරන්න බෑ මේ පාඩම. Right? You debit, you have reduced the difference. Suspense debit 27, sorry, sales debit 27, cash credit 27. See, it is done. හරිද? එනම double into the මෙහෙම. Sales account debit 27. Sales account debit 27,000. Cash account credit 27,000. Narration is being overstated. That cash sale is rectified. Being overstated, a cash sale is rectified. Here we have the correct answer. Huh? Right. I give you a few minutes. to go through all these rectifications. And those who have finished, try to answer the next question. මෙන්න මේ ප්‍රශ්නට පොඩි උත්තරයක් කියන්න බලන්න. Answer the questions for this. මේකෙ තියෙන්නේ පුතා හැබැයි මේක නම් තනියම කරගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. අර විනාඩි පොඩ්ඩක් දෙනවා. මට මේක ටගල තනියම කරන්න බලන්න. Think and answer. I give you a few minutes. හරිද පුතේ? අපි ඒකේ උත්තරේ ටක් ගාලා ලියමු. හරිද? මම ඒකේ කවුන්ට්ස් අඳින්නේ නැහැ. අපි ඉක්මනටම ලියලා බලමු කොහොමද ඒකේ උත්තර ලියන්නේ. හරිද? Let me share the answers format. Right? Answers format. Read it very carefully. A payment voucher of 7,000 used to settle the water bill has completely omitted from the books. It means no entry is in the water bill account, no entry is in the cash, right? Cash book. Therefore, this has to rectify the first error, error number 1, right? Error number 1 is rectified like this. Error number 1, water bill account debit. Water bill account debit. How much is it? 7,000 rupees. And cash account is 7,000 rupees. Narration. We omitted a payment of water bill is rectified. Is rectified. Here we have it. Okay. Number 2. Water bill account debit 7,000, cash account credit 7,000. හැම පුතා cash account එක credit එකකට කියලාද මේ පැත්තේ පොඩ්ඩක් ඉඩ තියලා ලියන්න. හරිද? Number 2. Cash received from Iresh value 26,000 as recorded as 20,000 in the books. Cash received from Iresh. ඕනෙම නම් accounts දෙක ගහලා බලන්නකො පුතේ. When we receive cash from a debtor, how do we record it? What are the two accounts we need? Up on accounts the common. We need cash account and we need the debtors account. We need the debtors account. Right. So let's see what we have done. Cash account erase or debtors account. You can use erase word erase as well. Erase. The correct collection is 26. It is recorded in the books as 20,000. Again, cash debit 20,000, erase credit 20,000. Debit credit values are the same, but the actual value is different with this. What we should do now? Cash debit 6,000, erase credit 6,000. Record it like this. Cash account debit 6,000. 6,000 and erase account erase. Debtors account credit 6,000. Narration. Being understated the amount received from erase or from a debtor is rectified. Is rectified. Is rectified. Yeah. දැන් පුතේ අහගන්න පොඩ්ඩක් හැමෝම අපි මම මේකත් කියනවා හැමෝටම grade 11 අපි පටන් ගන්නවා. That is probably in the beginning of March එහෙම නැත්නම් after completing the term test, right? පුතා එතෙන්දි මම මේ time එක පොඩ්ඩක් වෙනස් කරනවා මන්ලේ. හරිද? මම චුට්ටක් තව හැන්දෑව රූට දාගන්නවා පහට නේ පටන් ගන්න තියෙන්නේ. මම මේක පොඩ්ඩක් පරක්කු කරනවා පුතා. මොකද right මට දැන් ඇත්තටම මගේ දැන් online classes මම දැන් online මගේ දැන් A level classes online class අඩු වෙනවා. හරිද? ඒ හින්දා මම ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ class එක පොඩ්ඩක් රෑ වෙලා ගන්නවා. මම ඉන්ෆෝම් කරන්නම් පස්සේ. Right? Therefore prepare yourselves, right? අපි පුළුවන් තරම් හොඳට පන්ති කරගෙන යමු. එතකොට grade 11 එක පුතා, right? හරිම ලස්සන syllabus එකක් තියෙන්නේ. Trade and supporting services, management, marketing. ලස්සන පාඩම් ටිකක් තියෙනවා business studies වල. ලස්සන පාඩම් ටික. හරිද? ඕමනයි පාඩම් කරගන්න, ආසාවෙන් පාඩම් කරගන්න එච්චරයි. හරිද? Right. Now, let's move to the next one. අපි ඊළඟ එකටත් යමු. Right. Right. Here we go. The next error, number 3. A drawing made by the owner valued 15,000 as recorded as salaries of the business. Right. Now look at the third. To record the drawings, we need these two accounts. Drawings and cash. These are the two accounts we need to record the cash drawings. But what we have done, the drawings made by the owner has recorded as salaries. Again, salaries account debit 15,000, cash credit 15,000. Now, do you see? Cash account is already correct. A account is correct. It is correct. But what we have done, what is the mistake we have done? It is not a salary. What we should do here, look at this. Drawings, make a credit 15,000. Now, this error is it is set off. But we need a debit entry for this 15,000. That is in the drawings. So, however, what is the rectification entry? Number 3 is rectified like this. Drawings account, debit, drawings account, debit 15,000, Drawings debit 15,000. Cash account credit 15,000. Drawings debit 15. Cash credit 15. Narration. Being recorded a drawing in the salaries account is rectified. Being recorded a drawings in the salaries account is rectified. Tell me whether you can understand. හරිද බලන්න. හරිද? Right. Number 4. Transaction number. A purchase invoice received from Samantha valued 17,000 has recorded twice in the purchases journal. හරිද? Now, first decide what are the two accounts we need to record a credit purchase. මුලින් මේක හොයාගන්නකො. මේ තියෙන පුතා. We need the purchases account and creditors. නම් විතර සමන්ත කියලා ලියාගත්තොත් තමයි. සමන්ත. Okay. The correct value of the invoice is 17. How it is recorded twice in the books. එහෙනම් පුතා, when you post that to the ledger also this value is twice. Therefore, purchases account is debited by 34,000 instead of 17, so as the creditors. Listen to me. When you have recorded something incorrectly in a prime entry book, the same error will be posted to the ledger. ඒක තේරුම් ගන්න. Now think what we have to do to rectify this error. I have to remove 17,000. Half has to be removed. එහෙනම් පුතා මම කරනවා මෙන්න මේ rectification එක. I have to remove 50%. ඒ කියන්නේ creditors debit 17,000, purchases credit 17,000. දැක්කද පුතේ? ඔය රතු පැටින් මම කරලා තියෙන්නේ rectification. Therefore, I record it like this way. Creditors account debit. Creditors account debit 17,000 and purchases account credit 17,000. Then the narration. Being recorded an invoice twice in the books is rectified. Being recorded an invoice twice in the books is rectified. බලන්න හරිද? So do you understand this? Amir, අපේ කවුද ඉන්න ළමයි ටික අද? Amir, Duniti, Jevin, Pavani, Rilwan, Sujani. Do you understand all these things? පුතා? මම කියලා දීපු දේ ටික වට තේරුණා. Okay. Understood? Right, Jimmy. නියමයි. දැන් විභාගයට ආව පුතා මේ ඕගොල්ලන්ට මේ ගොඩාක් අමාරුයි වහන්නේ හරිද? බොහොම ලේසි errors 4ක් හෝ 3ක් අහයි. හරි මුලින්ම කරන් තියෙන ලේසිම දේ මම මේ කරනවා වගේම accounts ටික ඇඳ ගන්න. පොඩි T account එකක් ඇඳ ගන්න rough paper එක. Then make clear යදිපු error එක කරන්න. Then think to rectify this what I have to do. That's all. And record that entry. ඒක නේ මම මෙච්චර කරේ නේද? හරි. ඔන්න මම එනවා ඊළඟ එකට. Let me share the screen for the next one. මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙනවා what are the occasions where the suspense account is opened in the business මේක එහෙම ලියා ගන්න when එහෙම ලියා ගන්න පුතා when the trial balance disagree when the trial balance disagree we have to prepare a suspense account in the trial balance. Vertically, so what is the occasion? When the trial balance disagree. Okay, good. හරිද? ඔක ලියා ගන්න. පුතාලා ලබන සතියේ මම ක්ලාස් එකේ ටයිම් එක මම දැන් ලබන සතියේ ළම අරක පටන් ගන්නවා. and please get ready. මම පුතාලට මම පේපර් එකක් දානවා අද. ඒ පේපර් එක කරන්න ඕනේ. ෆස්ට් පේපර් එකක් ඈ. දැන් උතර අපේ සිලබස් එක අදිනවා මම අද පේපර් එකක් දානවා. මේ පේපර් එක අද මේ ලබන සතියේදී කරලා තියෙනවා. right හැමෝම. හරි පොත තියෙනවා. චුට්ටක් ඉන්න පැටිය පොඩ්ඩක් කොමින්න. Yes, I have some of those papers. පුතාලා I hard copies පුතාලා වෙන පොත ගන්න ඕනේ නැහැ ගත්තා ඉන්නවනම් කමකුත් නැහැ. I will send you the paper. හරි අපි ඒක උමනාවෙන් කරගමු. හරිද? Right. Now we are moving to the next question. ඊළඟ එක. මේ බලන්න. The trial balance prepared by Kamaladasa traders as at 31st December 2020 is given below. Right? These are the debit values and these are the credit values. අපි values ටික ලියලා බලමුද මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා. හරිද? පුතා give me a minute. Right? Look at this. මේක මම මේ ලියන විදිය පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න. හරිද? දැන් මම කාම හරියට කරන්න. හරිද? Right. We have now this is the debit column. This is the credit column. Right. The first account is cash. In the debit side, 150,000. Then motor vehicle account, debit side, 100,000. Purchases account, it's an expense, so the balance in the debit side, 20,000 rupees. Sales account, 70,000 rupees. Rent account, 15,000 rupees. Capital account. Equity account, so it is at the credit side. Then the drawings account, it is in the debit side, it's a negative equity, 10,000. Finally, the bank loan account, 100,000. 100,000, right? Now, we have to, according to this question, this trial balance, let's get the total of the debit side and the credit side and see sum. This is 295,000. Here it is 300,000. Do you understand? Right? Then we total like a right? The trial balance disagree. But I told you, you can't leave a trial balance like this, right? If I put a balance of 5,000 here in the debit side, do you see the trial balance agrees? That is the suspense account. Suspense account 5,000. See? Right. Total after recording the balance of 5,000, the trial balance, right, agrees. Trial balance agrees. Right. Sanuka, we are in the fifth question of the second session. Ab මේක ඉන්නේ මෙන්න මේ ගාන ඉන්නේ second session එකේ මේ ගාන පෙරලා ගන්න කමලදාස්. Now let's see how to write this in the suspense account. How to record this difference in the suspense account. ඒක තමයි වැදගත් දෙයක් කියලා කවුරුත් අමතක කරගන්න බෑ. Suspense account. Suspense account. පුතා. Now the difference is in the debit side. අපි මේක ලියන්නේ මෙන්න මෙහෙම. හරිද? හොඳට අහගන්න. We have to record the balance in the debit side. හැබැයි මේකට කොයිම වෙලේකවත් BBF balance don't use those words. We have to write here වෙන්න තියෙන හරි වචනේ. Difference 5,000. This is the answer for the second question. Suspense අපේ කියනවා මේක රතු පෙන ලියා ගන්න. Difference 5,000 in the debit side. නම් පොඩි එකකින් ලෝවට කියලා දෙන ගමන් ඉන්නේ. Difference 5,000 debit side. හරිද පුතේ? Right. අපි යමු ඊළඟට. Number 6. The total of the debit side of the trial balance of G1 traders is 456 and the credit side is 433. Show the difference of the suspense. කල්පනා කරන්නකෝ. එහෙනම් මෙදා පාර මොන පැත්තද වැඩි කියන්නේ? This time it says, right? It says the addition of the debit side is 456,000. Addition of the credit side is 433,000. හරි. එහෙනම් දැන් බලමු මේ දාපාර suspense account එකට මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා. හරි. Suspense account. පුතා, you can't leave it like this way. මේක මේ පැත්තට සමාන කරන්න එපා. Then get the difference. It is 456,000 minus 433,000. So it is 23,000. But this time where we have credit side. දැක්කද? Suspense account difference is in the credit side. ඒ වුණාම පුතා මෙන්න මේ පැත්තේ එනවා 456,000. අපි ලියමු මෙහෙම. Suspense account is difference in the credit side 23,000. See. පැහැදිලි නේද? Right. Let's move to activity number 7. 7 word here. Right? Number 7. Let's see, right, whether what we have told are going to be, right, affected or used practically in questions. Right? Hurry. Let me share the worksheet now. It says that the trial balance prepared by Eranga traders as at 31st December did not agree and the difference 6,400 was transferred to the debit side of the suspense account. එහෙනම් පුතා එහෙනම් මතක තියාගන්න මෙදා පාර මේ තියෙන suspense account එකනේ. This is the suspense account. The difference is in the debit side. Okay. The difference is in the debit side. අපි මෙ ලියනවා මේ විදිහට difference. How much is it? 6,400. 6,400 is the difference. පුතා සමහර වෙලාවලට උදාහරණ මම කියන දේ සමහර ගණන් වලට මේ difference එක දෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයා හොයන්න ඕන. In those occasions, do not write anything on the first row in both the debit and the credit sides. මොකද ඒකනේ හොයන්න තියෙන්නේ. හැබැයි මේ ගන්න අපිට ඒක දුන්නා. Right? And for you to get the complete understanding, I am using a set of workings as well. Workings කීපයකට කොහොමම අදින්න. පුතාට මේක ගැන හොඳ knowledge එකක් එයි කියලා මම විශ්වාස කරනවා. හරිද? Right? I'm using T accounts because these are for workings. මේ workings ඉද මම අදින්නේ මේ විදිහට. හරිද? Right. First error. A cash purchase valued 1,500 has recorded twice in the books. What are the two accounts we need? We need purchases account and cash. What we have done, it is recorded once 1,500 and it is recorded once correctly and erroneously it is recorded twice. This is what we have done. Then think about the rectification entry. What we should do now, Puta? Cancel one entry. Cash debit 1,005. Purchases credit 1,005. Suspense account is not used. Write the rectification entry for error 1. Error 1. Cash account debit 15,000. 15,000. 1,500 and purchases account 1,005. Narration. Being recorded a purchase twice in the books is rectified. Being recorded a purchase twice in the books is rectified. So remember the suspense account is not used. No, we're going to get a lazy part. Number two. I think everyone is writing. So listen to me. I will upload the recording once it is completed. And please make sure that you write actively watch the recorded session. Error number 2. A payment made to Amila valued 1,000 has recorded as 100 in his personal account. Okay, now, it's a payment made to Amila. We need creditors account. Creditor can be Amila. And also we need the cash. Look at this very carefully. We have paid 1,000 to Amila. It is recorded as 100 in his personal account. Again, method is 100. But in the cash, it is recorded correctly as 1,000. Now listen to me, cash account is correct, but creditor's account is incorrect. What we should do? Debit 900. Yeah? Debit 900. Now where to credit this? Then cash credit කරන්න බෑ. Use the suspense account. තේරෙනවද පුතේ? ඒ විදිහට පාවිච්චි කරන්න කියලා suspense account. හරිද? ඔන්න මම ගන්නවා creditors account. ඉතින් බකස් කැමති නම් අමිල කියලා ලියන්න. අමිල. Debit 900 and credit the suspense account. Credit the suspense account 900,000. තේරෙනවද? Write the narration. B. Understated a payment, right, is rectified. Is rectified. ඔන්න අපිට සති 4ක් ගියා පාඩම ඉවර කරගන්න. පොඩ්ඩ සෙෂන්ස් ටිකක් මම කරලා දුන්නා පුතා. ආසාවෙන් ඉගෙන ගන්න. හරිද? Now credit the suspense account 900,000. මෙතන මම ලියනවා creditor කියලා. creditors එකට අමිල කියලා ලියුවත් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. බලන්න හරිද කියලා. Number 3. Payment made to Sandani valued 3,500 has not recorded in her personal account. We have made a payment to a creditor once again. අපි සඳනට payment එකක් දාලා 3,500 but not recorded in the personal. හරි. අපි මුලින්ම කරලා බලමු මොකද්ද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා මේකේ. Once again when you have paid a creditor, but this time Sandani, right? We have to use the Sandani account as the cash, right? We have paid 3,500 to her, but we have not recorded that in Sandani's account, but cash is correctly credited. ඕක කරන්න පුතා ඔයාලට මම කිව්වේ double entry system එක මාර වැදගත් පාඩමක්. එහෙනම් මොකක්ද දැන් මට කරන්න තියෙන්නේ? Creditors should be debited by 3,500. Right? So credit කරන්න පුළුවන්ද cash එකට? No, you can't, because cash is correctly recorded. We have to debit this. We have to credit this suspense account. අන්න මම හදාගන්නවා. Creditor. This time it is Sandani. Debit 3,500 and suspense account credit 3,500. 3,500. Being omitted, a payment is rectified. Being omitted, a payment is rectified. Being omitted, a payment is rectified. හරිද පුතා? ඔන්න ඒකත් හරි. Number 4. Purchased furniture valued 4,000 has recorded in the purchasers account. පොඩ්ඩක් suspense credit කරගන්න. 3,500 creditors. කැමති නම් මෙතන ලියන්න අමිල කියලා. A මෙතන ලියන්න සඳනි කියලා. ඔතන නම් දෙක දාගත්තත් කිසිම වැරද්දක් නැහැ. හොඳේ? Right. Number 4. Purchased furniture value 4,000 has recorded in the purchasers account. පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්නකෝ. අපි බලමුකෝ මොකක්ද අපි කරලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. We have purchased furniture. Therefore, the correct two accounts should be furniture account and cash account. Isn't it? But what we have done, instead of debit that amount to furniture account, it is debited to purchasers account. That means purchases is debited by 4,000, cash is credited by 4,000. Try to understand. Here, the cash is correct. Cash credit to make a hurry. But it is not to debit it to purchases. What we should do now? First, credit the purchases account. Now, now that is correct. But however, to complete the double entry system, we need a debit entry for this 4,000. Use the furniture account. What we should do now? Double entry furniture debit 4,000, purchases credit 4,000. Furniture account debit 4,000. Further, 4,000. And purchases account credit 4,000. Narration. We recorded a purchase of furniture in purchases account is rectified. Being recorded a purchase of furniture in purchases account is rectified. තේරෙනවද බෙටියෝ? Lazy. අමාරුයි. මොකද ඔය double entry system එක දන්නව නම් මේ පාඩමකට nothing. Remember the suspense account is not used. Suspense account is not used here. Okay, better. Last one. Payment of Kapila valued 1,000 has credited to his personal account. Put up. When we have paid a creditor, we need the two accounts. Mulli accounts the creditor and creditor Kapila and cash. When you have made a payment to a creditor, what we should do? Kapila debit when no cash credit. Now cash is correctly credited. Cash is correctly credited. What we have done in Kapila's account. Kapila's account is also credited. Now this is what we have done. Now think, to rectify this error, what I have to do? මොකද්ද කරන්න තියෙන්නේ? පුතා මම ප්‍රශ්නයක් අහන්න. මට හොඳ උත්තරයක් දෙන්න. Is it enough to write? Is it enough to debit 1,000 to creditor's account? Is it enough? ඕක විතරක් ඇද්ද? හොඳට කල්පනා කරන්න. If I do it like this way, yes, Duniti, what තේරෙනවද? මම දන්නවා. If I do it like this way, listen to me. Right? මේකට මේක හරි. But where is the debit entry required for this 1,000? In rectifying this error, I can't just debit 1,000 to the creditor's account. It has to be 2,000. Then හරි. මේකට 1,000 එකක් කපලා ගියා. මේකේ 1,000 එකක් මෙතන තියෙනවා. Now, the next question is where to credit it? Suspense. Creditor's account debit 2,000. Creditor's account debit 2,000. Suspense account 2,000. Narration. Creditor the payment to being credited a payment made to a creditor. Creditor is rectified. Is rectified. එනම් පුතා credit 2000 here. Creditor. Creditor. Here it is Kapila. Rectifications are over. එනම් පුතේ අපි මේක balance කරගමු. 6400 6400 දැන් බලන්න මේ පැත්තත් balance කරනවා නේද? That is why I told you opening a suspense account is a temporary arrangement. තේරුණාද ළමයි ටික? හරි. පුතේ අපිට මම හිතනවා පුතාට ඉතුරු ගණන් දෙක homework විදිහට කරගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි කියලා. හරිද? අපි ලබන සතියේ ඉඳලා right අපි ලබන සතියේ ඉඳලා යනවා past papers වලට මම තව ටිකකින්ම paper එකක් එවන්නම්. first paper එකක් විතරයි. ඒකට හරියට උත්තර ටික ලියලා තියන්න. Right? Take a hard copy of it and answer the questions. We'll see how well you have answered it. So after that we are moving to write a case study. ඒකට අපි second paper එකටත් යනවා. හරි? ඒකෙත් මම හරියට උත්තර ටික paper එකක් එවලා තියන්නම්. ඉතින් අපි හරියට ආසාවෙන් වැඩ ටික කරගන්න අවශ්‍ය වෙනවා. හරිද පුතේ? Okay then. That's all for today. Until we meet again on next week. Have a good holidays, right? So පුතා, so you have just completed the syllabus today. ඔන්න පුතා syllabus එක ඉවරයි. අපි ආසයි වැඩ ටික කරමු පුතාලගේ යාළුවෙම ඉන්නවනම් අපි grade 11 පන්තිය පටන් ගත්තම පොඩි inform එකක් කරන්න ඒගොල්ලන්ට. හරිද? යාළුවන්ට inform කරන්න. ඒ වගේම තමයි පුතේ මම මෙදාපාර physical classes පටන් ගන්නවා for grade 10 and 11 both in Moratuwa and Panadura. Right? Probably right after your term test. හරිද? term test එකෙන් පස්සේ මම කෙලින්ම physical classes පටන් ගන්නවා. Those who are living in that area, they are invited to attend the physical classes, right? The payments පොඩ්ඩක් වෙනස් වෙනවා පුතේ. මොකද physical classes වලදී අපිට පොඩි වියදමක් තියෙනවා ආයතන වලට, right? Those who want to take that experience, you are invited for the physical classes. And if you want to continue the online classes, even that will be available, right? And පුතේ fees වල පොඩි වෙනසක් වෙනවා online class fee එක. ඒකත් පුතේ මට 500 වලින් වගේ වැඩි කරන්න වෙනවා. මොකද ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා රටේ තියෙන තත්ත්වය. So I'll inform you all the things, and if you have your friends, inform them, and I will send you a handbill, like a flyer. You can share it among your friends, class groups, so like පොඩ්ඩක් share කරගන්න. හරිද? Not in the school class groups. ඒක එච්චර හරියන්නේ නැහැ. If you have your personal class groups, you can share it. Inform your friends as well. Okay then. That's all for the grade 10 syllabus. Until we meet again on next week with a paper. Okay, have a good week, right? God bless you. Thank you very much. God bless you.